Heater blowing cold and coolant bubbling in the tank after a repair? You've got an airlock. You can fix this with a special funnel and some patience, but a vacuum filler tool makes the job foolproof and fast. An airlock is just a big bubble of air trapped high up in the system, usually in the heater core. Coolant can't flow through air, so the liquid behind the bubble stops moving, gets too hot, and boils. That steam pushes coolant into the overflow tank, causing spills and creating hot spots that can damage your engine. The common way to fix this uses gravity. You'll need a spill-free funnel kit. First, get the front of the car higher than the back. Ramps or a steep driveway work fine. This helps the air bubble travel up to the radiator, which should be the highest point. Attach the funnel to the radiator, fill it about 1/3 of the way with coolant, and start the engine. Turn your heater and fan on high. Now you just wait for the engine to warm up and the thermostat to open. You'll see bubbles burp into the funnel. You can squeeze the upper radiator hose to help push air pockets out. On some cars, like certain Nissans or BMWs, you'll also need to open a small bleed screw on the thermostat housing until only coolant comes out. If you still hear gurgling from the dashboard when it's done, you still have air trapped inside. Now, the shop method. Instead of pushing air out with coolant, we pull all the air out first. A vacuum coolant filler tool connects to your radiator and a shop air compressor. It uses the airflow to create a strong vacuum in the entire cooling system. You'll watch the tool's gauge drop down to around -25 inches of mercury as the radiator hoses get sucked flat. At this point, there's no air left in the engine, radiator, or heater core. The system is completely empty. Next, you close the valve to the compressor and open a different valve on the tool. This one is connected to a hose in your bucket of fresh coolant. The vacuum you created now does all the work, pulling the new coolant into the system instantly. It fills every passage, even the highest points, with no chance of trapping an air bubble. The whole fill takes less than 2 minutes. This tool also doubles as a leak tester. If the system can't hold that deep vacuum before you start filling, you know you have a leak to fix, and you need to fix it. Ignoring an airlock leads to overheating, and that can warp a cylinder head. The funnel method works most of the time. The vacuum filler works every time. It lets you eliminate the air instead of just chasing it.